Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo how I will do Brazilian blowout sa hair ko. So I already prepared the things. As you can see, yung buhok ko super buhaghag niya and very dry because of hair coloring, and then this had been bleached before. So yun, super dry na niya, and then I'm just gonna show you the process. Maglalagay na ako ng towel para yung product is hindi siya mapunta sa skin ko, guys. So maglalagay tayo ng gloves. Nilalagay ko na yung product. Make sure that yung buhok is at least 80% dry. Ang cute ng brush na akong gamit. Ito lang yung meron ako. So yung Brazilian is some Brazilian products, they can straighten your hair. May straightening effect. Meron din na wala. Treatment lang talaga siya. So, ito, treatment lang to. Wala siyang straightening effect. And hindi siya matapang sa amoy. Kasi organic. Make sure na nalagyan lahat. Especially yung mga damage na area ng buhok. Yan. Ay, hirap ng tis ganda. Laban lang. So, ganito talaga pag nag-DIY. Kaysa pumunta ka pa sa salon. Especially now na ang daming COVID. Or if you're feeling sick, diba? Bawal lumabas. So, dito na tayo sa bahay magpaganda. Forget yung sa dulo kasi super dry na. Just gonna comb it. Yan. Yan. I divide na yung hair ko. Yan. And let's do this side. So, meron mga clients natin na they don't know the rule ng Brazilian. So, treatment lang talaga siya. Hindi siya 100% na nakakapag-straight ng buhok. So, if you want na totally straight talaga yung buhok mo, then do for a rebond. Because yung Brazilian is treatment. And then, pinaplansya siya, but hindi mo na binabanlawan yung products. After 2 days, yun, pwede na siyang banlawan. But yung pagplansya, parang sa ribbon, paplansyahin, ganun. Ganun yung process niya. So, I think I'm done. Meron pa akong products dito. Natin siya. Yan. So, i-wrap lang natin siya ng cling wrap for about 45 minutes. I think I'm gonna find yung cling wrap talaga. Because So, kasi yung hair ko is, it's not so thick. Thin lang talaga siya. So, yan. I'll be back after 45 minutes. So, this is my hair. Yan. So, irap lang natin ng foil at saka aluminum. And then, ilagay natin sa oven. So, let's blow dry my hair. Kasi ano na siya. Thumbs up. After hair blower, kailangan natin siyang plansyahin. Kasi yung Brazilian is like, meron siyang keratin formula. So, isisil lang natin siya sa buhok para it will make it smooth. So, yung temperature, hindi masyadong super init. So, moderate lang. Kasi yung hair ko is chemically treated na siya. So, too much hotness then is not so good sa hair. This is the perks if you do it yourself. So, tiresome talaga siya. But, konti na lang guys, and I'm done. Done almost. Almost. Guys, this is my hair after almost 2 hours. Yan. So, this is my hair. So, yan. Shiny na siya. But we'll see after 2 days, guys, if shiny pa din na siya. So, I used organic Brazilian. I'm not expecting na may straightening effect siya. Kasi I don't think. So, yan. Treatment lang talaga. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And see you in my next video.